Today we are inaugurating the work for commencement of hot mixing and also retaining wall in Paliem, Ucassaim. And हे 13 लाखाचे प्रोजेक्ट आणि पयलो प्रपोज केल्लो फुडें कांय जालें ना मागीर ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान म्हाका सांगला तेन्ना लोकांनी ते आसा म्हूण हांवें नोट केल्लो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्राला आनी निलेश काब्रालान इमिजिएटली सँक्शन करून आमगे सगळे पास करून दिले. आय एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑनरेबल PWD मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्राल फॉर टेकिंग अप द वर्क. I am also grateful to our AE Walke who has been pursuing this matter and all the team in the PWD who are doing this work relentlessly. I thank our Panchayat members, especially Gauravi, our Sarpanch Richa, Deputy Sarpanch Alfie and our Panch member Christine for all their continued efforts also to do the development, all-round development in this village Panchayat without any discrimination and really looking to the needs of the people. I thank you all and I thank you everybody for coming and telling me of problems. आणि कितें फुडें आहा जाल्यार करपाचें सांगात आमकां आनी आम तुमकां करून दितले. देव बरें करूं.